Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with executive producer Smokey for a quickie sticky unboxing. I have a sticky club from December and I forgot that I was getting one, so this was a pleasant surprise because I decided that I wouldn't get so many of these this year. Mostly because I'm gonna use the stickers that I have or something like that. So in an effort to not like randomly accumulate a larger pile of stickers, I was like, be very, very selective on the ones that you pick for the upcoming year. So like we're going to be a little bit choosier. So I don't know how many of these we're going to be doing this year, but I'm going to be choosier about it. But this came in the mail, and I was pleasantly surprised. So we're going to open it today and see what we got. I got the pop pack for December. For some reason I didn't get the vintage one, and I don't know what that reason is. But we're going to see what we got. So, for those of you who don't know, Sticky Club is like a monthly sticker subscription pack. They have a couple different varieties. I'll link their website down below because I'm absolutely not sponsored. And you can check it out yourself and see if that's something you want to get. I'm not telling you to. I'm just showing you what I got. First up, we have the theme for this month, which is La Luna. So, yeah, I think obvious why I chose to get it. Because how can you not get the one for the moon? It's like counter witchiness. So first up, we have this little cute little notepad with the moon like setting into the ocean or sailing on the ocean while the sun is setting in the background, and these little kitties hanging out with this girl just watching it all go on. So it seems appropriate that my kitty, well, they are hanging out here in this one. And this is from Techtober. It's just a little notepad, so I'm not going to take it out of here. Because I already know it's a notepad. I don't need confirmation. And then we have a nice vinyl sticker. And this one is foiled. And it has Stone Lily of the Valley with a moon. And that's really cute. And this one is from Creative Wannabe. And there's the artist socials. So let's see what sticker sheets we got. I'm going to try to also do these faster because I keep saying they're quickie, like, Sticky Club unboxings, and then it's like a 20-minute video, which is not quickie at all. So let's see. Let's get closer. Okay, so I zoomed in and then proceeded to show the entirety of the sticker pack, and then realized I hadn't hit record again. So we're going to do this again. Oh my god, so these aren't going to be my initial reactions because I've already seen these. So yeah, at any rate, this is a really pretty sheet set. Spoiler alert, I love every single thing that came in this packet. I love the unicorns and the little foxicorn here. I love this whole like unicorn fox like thing. And then I fall out of love with this section of just regular horses, and I can't explain what it is, you guys. Like, I can't deal with horses, but unicorns I love. I can't explain that. I don't have time to go into that today because this is a quickie sticky unboxing, but those are really pretty. I really love this. This is the artist, Martith Art. Even this deer is really pretty, even though the deer doesn't match anything else that's going on here, like, because it's all horses and foxes. This deer is really pretty. I love the cherry blossoms and the little moon, so it's super sweet. So this is a really nice set. I really love this one, and I want to go look up this artist in particular because I love their style. And then up next, we have these that are like the opacity of vellum, but not the texture of vellum. They feel like regular, like PVC stickers, but they look like vellum, which is really nice. And I love the aesthetic here. I also love all the hyper detail, like all this little pointillism detail and stuff, because these are very small stickers. Like, that's my thumbnail for comparison. And that's a lot of detail for something so small, so I really like that. And I like just the black and white look of these. This one is also like another one I really like from this. I love when there's like vignettes inside of regular objects. That's probably one of my favorite like motifs, especially for stickers. And then we have this one. This is another one by Creative Wannabe. And then there is the big vinyl sticker that we got. And then this one is probably my favorite from the sheet because of pomegranates and Persephone and all those things. You guys know I like that kind of stuff. I did talk about, while I was showing these, that I need to do these reviews faster because I keep saying that they're quickie sticky unboxings, and then I spend like 20 minutes talking about the stickers, so I'm going to try to go faster. And hopefully, you know, this one will actually be quickie, even though I've already done it entirely, and I'm not bitter about that at all. But this one is really cute. I love this little girl. She's like a little moon princess, like, type girl, and look at her little, like, buddy down here, the little bunny. is so cute. And then it also accompanies her while she takes a nap. So she's like a little moon princess, and it's giving very much like Changa and the moon rabbit, whose name I forgot. But I told that story in the story craft. And then this one also has like the same holographic foil that's like in the stars on this one. But you couldn't really see it like on these stickers so much as like only on this one because it's got really big stars. But everything else has really tiny stars, so you can't really tell that it's holographic. But on this one you can because it's in the frames, and that picks up really nicely. And so I really love that. This is really precious. And this one is by Cherry Rabbit. And then we have a sheet from Stickii Club, and it's like a silver holographic. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick up like the prismatic nature of that, but it's really pretty. And this one I'll have no trouble using. This is definitely very usable. It's a bunch of planets and the moon. And then this is like more of a washi paper texture than the other one is. So it has the same like opacity as vellum, but it feels like washi paper. But it's really pretty. And then we have this one from Techtober, who's the one that did the little notepad that we got. And you can see it again right here. And just a sheet of stamps with this really interesting like motif of the moon and like water. And I feel like there's a whole story to like why the moon is like set sail and is traveling to all these different places. But it's really pretty. I really like these. These are cute. And then we have another one. Let's start together. From Stickii Club. And it's these little like photo shots of the moon in various places. And that's really cool. And I really like it. So yeah, these are really nice. And so I think those are very neat. Very cool. And then the last thing we got are two like postcards. These are from Cherry Rabbit, featuring her little like moon princess, and they have the same gold holographics. And look at all the little bunnies. These are so cute. So this one, I'm keeping these. These are from me. We even have a little sleepy moon and a little cat portrait back here. These are so cute. So yeah, I'm saving these. These are coming home with me. They're home with me, but they're staying home with me. And then we have her here in the library with her like little bunny helpers. And this is so cute. I love these. They're really pretty. And I like the little foil detail too. Look at this. Look at that little bookish bunny. Super cute. So yeah, that is everything that we got. Let me know what you guys think about this. I have to go back and find out what the other pack for December, January was, because I don't remember, but for some reason I didn't get it. But I'm not mad about it because I love this set. This set is really nice. And I love it. So I'm very happy with it, and I cannot wait to use them. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. Until then, happy crafting. Appreciate your faces. Bye.